Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated sawhorses. No matter what sort of carpentry project you're working on, a sawhorse is one of the handiest and most functional tools you can ever have in your arsenal. It doesn't only make everything accessible to you, but will also allow you to adjust the height of your workstation according to your preferences as well. Not only that, but you'll be able to finish your work faster than other standard and traditional wood cutting tools like axes, handsaws, and blades. For today's video, we'll be going over 7 of the highest rated sawhorses in the market, so you can just sit back, relax, and take your pick after watching. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the sawhorses that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first sawhorse on our list is the ToughBuilt Adjustable Sawhorse. Starting our list is a durable, tough, and heavy-duty sawhorse by ToughBuilt. It improves upon the traditional design of previous models, make it more versatile, portable, and ultimately more useful than ever before. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ToughBuilt Adjustable Sawhorse a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: functional and comfortable. It has a super functional and versatile design to provide you with the utmost comfort. Convenient foldable design. Its foldable design feature makes it reliable and heavy-duty. Additionally, the durable legs beautifully fold, making this an easy-to-store sawhorse. High-quality materials and construction. This sawhorse is made up of pure and high-quality steel and has a weight capacity of a whopping 1,100 pounds. Ergonomic handle. There is also an easy-to-grip handle that makes the unit more excellent in terms of portability. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is hefty weight. The sawhorse can be a bit heavy compared to some other metal sawhorses, though it's very sturdy. The second sawhorse in our list is the Bora Sawhorse. This heavy-duty option from Bora comes with 2 sawhorses to work with. It's built for speed and ease of use with rapid leg deployment, so you can set up as quickly and as conveniently as possible. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bora Sawhorse a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: effortless folding and unfolding. These sawhorses have a folding design along with adjustable legs to provide you with a hassle-free experience. Incredibly strong. They have a weight capacity of 2,000 pounds and can support both 2x4 and 4x4 wood panels. Ergonomic design. The blade adjustment feature makes this pair more ergonomic, comfortable, and convenient. Solid metal construction. Its solid metal construction ensures durability and long-lasting service. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is design shortcoming. The handle grip pockets are too far apart to hold comfortably for small hands. The third sawhorse in our list is the Bora XT Sawhorses. If you need equipment that's heavy-duty, simple to set up and tear down, and easy on your back, then you can't possibly go wrong with choosing the Bora XT Sawhorses. It has individually extendable legs, so you can raise the sawhorse to the height you need to work without pain. Additionally, you can adjust each leg to different heights to make up for uneven ground. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bora XT Sawhorses a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: strong and reliable. Each unit can support 1,500 pounds for a total of 3,000 pound capacity when used as a pair. Longer pre-drilled top. More length means more stability. The pre-drilled metal top allows you to screw in a 2x4 as a sacrificial top, saving your equipment from damage. 2x material slots. The sawhorse comes standard with 2x material slots on each end of the beam. This enables you to create work tables that get the job done. Long life. The pre-drilled metal top allows for a 2x4 to be added as a makeshift top. This will increase the life of your sawhorse by protecting the metal top against regular wear and tear. Flexible workspace. Having flexibility on the job site is key to working efficiently. Fortunately, this lets you set up quickly and doesn't slow you down when you need to move. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's quite heavy. Although the solid construction and strong weight capacity provide you reliable performance day in and day out, the sawhorse is quite heavy. The fourth sawhorse in the list is the WORX Clamping Sawhorse. This highly rated Amazon's Choice sawhorse from WORX comes in a set of 2. They have a very industrial design that's barer than other sawhorses on this list. However, it still packs a lot of solid capabilities and conveniences in a small package. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WORX Clamping Sawhorse a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: convenient clamps. These 2 sawhorses come with integrated bar clamps to fasten big or small projects securely in both vertical and horizontal positions. Lightweight and easy to move. At only 4 pounds each, you can toss them into the back of a vehicle or store them in the corner in between projects. Incredibly strong and stable. Capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds and providing up to 300 pounds of pressure, this heavy-duty sawhorse securely stays in place for as long as you need. Easy storage. On the bottom of the sawhorses are a place to hold a power strip or supplies, giving your workspace more storage. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is lightweight design trade-off. In exchange for its lightweight design and form factor, The Sawhorse isn't as strong as other sawhorses in this list. The fifth sawhorse on our list is the WORX Worktable Sawhorse. While regular sawhorses can convert into a workbench with the addition of a worktop or a piece of wood, the WORX Worktable Sawhorse can prove particularly useful and save you time and effort. The multifunctional product also comes with clamps and holding pegs. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WORX Worktable Sawhorse a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: very strong and reliable. The Sawhorse holds up to 300 pounds as a work table and supports up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Convenient custom clamps. The 2 integrated quick clamps stay attached even when you fold the table into a sawhorse. Light and sturdy. It only weighs 25 pounds without sacrificing strength and durability. Easy to store. Thanks to its foldable design, this sawhorse is quite easy to move and store. You can build more tables. Whether your workshop is spacious or tight, this building solution expands or contracts to fit your needs by adding or removing other Pegasus products. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is plastic material. Although other sawhorses in this list feature metal construction, this one features plastic as its material. The sixth sawhorse on our list is the Stanley Sawhorse. For sewing and cutting heavy objects like lumber or metal, a quality sawhorse or work stand can provide the support you need to get the job done properly. Luckily, the Stanley Portable Folding Sawhorse provides that and is also collapsible for easy transporting and storage. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Stanley Sawhorse a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: strong and reliable. When used as a pier, this lightweight and sturdy sawhorse twin pack can hold 1,000 pounds. Secure and sturdy. Built-in work holding channels keep material securely in place, and added multi-purpose side hangers allow for quick access to extension cables. Practical tray design. Thanks to a strong tray connection, it helps prevent the sawhorse from collapsing under heavy loads. Designed for safety. 2 built-in grooves help hold materials in place with rubber points for load stability. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is lightweight. Although lightweight helps with portability and easier storage, its durability can be questionable over a long period. The 7th sawhorse on the list is the Evolution Sawhorses. The Evolution Sawhorse is a must-have piece of kit for every tradesperson or DIY enthusiast. Whether on site, in the van, in the workshop, garage, or garden shed, the Evolution Sawhorses are compact, lightweight, and durable to support your heavy-duty construction projects. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Evolution Sawhorses a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: outstanding strength. These sawhorses can support a huge 1,100 pounds per sawhorse. Foldable design. Thanks to its foldable design, you can set up your table in seconds without hassle. Solid metal construction. Their durable metal construction gives you a robust and practical work surface for even the heaviest jobs. Versatile setup. You can use these sawhorses right away or use pre-drilled holes to firmly fix a custom worktop. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is a bit unstable. The table can be a bit flimsy when pushed to its upper limits. However, it should have no problem when handling regular jobs. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated sawhorses, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next Sawhorse Roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.